Okay, so now I need to just okay, hopefully everything is fine. Okay, 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 everything is fine. Let's go. Let's just build my mechanic. My nightclub is over there. Yes, casino. I won this one and this one I got, so I'm gonna get one I won on the wheel. Don't look at my outfit. I just so yeah. Over there's my office. My office, and over there that way is my nightclub, and this is my garage in my house. I also got a casino penthouse, so I'm gonna go to casino. Thank you. Okay, let's go. You probably can't hear the audio, but you can hear me talk. Oh, fucking hell, motherfucker. I get so angry when that happens. Like, Jesus Christ, man. Why? Fucking go. My mom. Get back. So, yeah. Jesus Christ. So, yeah, let's take a look. Jesus. Penthouse, garage, hitch. So, let's go. I'm gonna try to do a mission or something like that. So, first I'm gonna sign in. So, now let's go. Let's enter the casino. Let's go. Why not? Why not? I am texting with someone, so ignore that. Okay, let's go. Okay, what car's on the oh. Okay, let's go. I wanna win it now because I watched the video and this car was in it. And now let's go get it. Try to win it because yeah, I'm not gonna have to look, but why not try it? So I am gonna put my character like this and spin it. Come on, let's pray. Please, 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 please. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, okay. Ships is not really problem. Like just do this and do visitor bonus. So you get your bonus and then trade in ships, max, and then get your ships. Ta-da! There you go. Okay, so now let's go. I'm gonna do a mission. I'm currently I have a million and stuff because I'm going for the terabyte no, the Impressor Mark 1 Mark 2. Choo choo. Okay. Sorry, I'm texting. 1 moment. Okay. Let's go get my. I'm gonna take my Betty because it's fast and easy to go to zigzag through cars. So, Jesus Christ, why? Oh gosh, I'm going to go to my casino. No, I'm at casino. Um, I think I'm gonna do a client job and then sell the car, like car client job, and then I'm gonna sell it. Oh Jesus! Okay, let's go. I do not have much cars, so you don't have to really look at that. So yeah. Well, I have GTA for like almost a year, I guess. Almost like 2 months or 3 months off. I'm guessing. Maybe no. Maybe a half year. So I'm not really good with cars and stuff. I got a lot of money, and that's why I got some cars. But we are not really saving up for cars. So yeah, that's probably also why we don't have much money. Like also, we bought a lot of guns, and with me, I mean me and my brother, because I play with my brother on this GTA. Because yeah, gonna park my car here. I'm gonna go in the um terabyte garage because my terabyte is there, and I'm gonna do a client job and stuff, and then yeah, you'll see, you'll see. Yeah, it sucks that you can jump over that stuff, that you gotta do all this shit. But well, it will be. I'm guessing this is the only thing I'm gonna do for this one, and then I'm gonna yeah stop it because I'm on 8 minutes, and if you go, I only can go for yeah no, I don't care. So now I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna run outside. Oh, stalling. Okay, nice, nice. Every car is a top car, so mhm. Okay, so my plus dad is here. This is his computer. We got it from him. GTA also. Yeah. So if you may hear him, I got a dog, so he also is gonna come in. You'll hear him. I'm gonna do this because it's much easier. Then I just need to go to this. Yeah. Now let's go to this. It is pretty far I need to go, so I don't know if I'm gonna get there in time. But okay, let's go still. We don't speak English, so if he comes in and he starts talking, you probably won't understand, or you do. Depends. He's probably gonna talk to me, and I'm gonna answer. So you probably hear other language, but that's not. Oh, I think I'm not gonna. I think I can't complete this order, and you guys will see. I don't think that's gonna happen because I maybe can bring it in the garage, but I don't think I can sell it. So let's try it do that because that makes it a little more. Whee! Oh shit! I wanted to go up the mountain. So let's go. Let's go. So yeah. Oh my gosh, if it is this. Fucking hell, man. I hate when that modified shit happen. Hi. I am almost at the car. Okay. Now we just need to grab it and return it. Fucking hell. Shit. Well, if this is gonna happen, I'd rather do this shit. Quick, 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 quick. And I'll just do this. I don't really care with the damage that much. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay. Let's go, 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 go. Oh, fuck. I'm almost out of time, so I don't think I can deliver it on time, so. Well, you know what? I'll just do this. And then I'll just do this. I'll just do this, and then I'm gonna end it with dying with the cops. So yeah, okay, yeah, wait. Okay, so I'm gonna go.